Hi everybody, welcome to the Excellency of Knowledge. Today I'm going to share with you a law that is responsible for the inflow of cash into your account. In business, it is called the law of compensation. But before we get into it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Let's get started. So you might ask, what is this law about? The law of compensation states that every amount that comes into your account is in exact proportion to number one, the demand for what you do, number two, your ability to do it, and number three, the difficulty in replacing you. Let's break it down. Number one, the demand for what you do. You might find yourself in the field where there's tremendous demand for what you do. For example, if you are trying to sell baby diapers to people of age range, let's say 20 to 50, that age range does not have demand, or they don't need what you are trying to give onto them. So because of that, there will be less demand for the value you are trying to dispense. Take the same value to people of age 5 and below, and then there will be tremendous demand. Why? Because they need it and it's very useful to them. So you must find yourself in a field where there's tremendous demand for the value that you're trying to dispense. Number two, your ability to do it. Be very good at what you do. Make up your mind that you'll be a master at what you do, because excellence and competence will always put you on top. For example, if you have a restaurant and your food is not well prepared and not also being served with excellence and competence, sooner or later nobody will come and purchase your food, and then there will be no demand for the food that you are trying to sell. Another example, if you're a tailor and you measure size 10 and sew size 15, sooner or later there will be no demand for your service. So make up your mind that you become a master at what you do. Number three, the difficulty in replacing you. There's no such thing as indispensable person, but there are certain people who are very difficult to replace because of how skilled they are. They've mastered what they are doing. That is why they keep on promoting them, and then they increase their pay. Now, what should you focus on? Focus on the ability to do it. Become a master at what you do. Make up your mind that you will gain mastery over what you do. Focus on this and the money will be a reward. Thank you. I hope this video helps you to understand the law of compensation, which states that every money that comes into your account is in exact proportion to these three things aforementioned. Thank you once again. Also like, share, leave your comments, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video.